Hello guys, welcome back to Jobs and Life Insurance TV. I'm so excited today because I saw this opportunity in Finland. This one is not healthcare, okay? You know, a lot of people is always afraid, I don't have healthcare certificate, I don't have healthcare experience and all of that. But this one I saw today is not healthcare, okay? But this one, you don't require any certificate at all. All you have to do it to watch the video from start to finish. I'll be showing the step-by-step guide on how you can apply for this free recruitment that is currently going on in Finland. I've talked a lot about Finland. I've talked a lot about this healthcare that is currently going on, but I'm not here to talk about healthcare today, okay? What is going on right now is free recruitment. All you have to do is to apply for it. This one, you don't need any experience at all. I want to thank you guys for always watching my videos, for the likes, for the comments, for the share. You guys are really amazing. I really, from the depth of my heart, I'm so happy, okay? I thank you so much for likes my video. I'm always coming back to watch my videos, okay? You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Right now, we are more than 2,000 subscribers. Wow, that's really amazing. From the depth of my heart, I really appreciate it, okay? Thank you for the likes, for the share, for the comments, and also for always watching my videos. You guys are the best, okay? Yeah, I saw this opportunity today. I saw it on Secret page, and they are currently accepting international applicants, okay?
So guys, as you can see over here, as I told you before, is Silk Road Workforce Management Limited. As you can see, are you a cleaner that would like to live and work in Finland, the fastest and happiest country in the world? Apply here for upcoming orientation by filling the form. Okay, if you click here right now, you will see the form for housekeeping. Next orientation will be held March 25th. This one was when they posted it, but it's still ongoing. Okay, you can apply for a cleaning position in Finland through Silk Road Workforce Management Limited since 2012. Our company has helped about 1,000 people to work in and migrate to Nordic countries. Work will be cleaning on homes and overtime also on corporate offices cleaning site. Driving license for a car is required. You should be able to drive manual and automatic transmission cars. Like I told you before, all you have to do, try to get your country license. You can be able to convert it easily when you get to Finland, okay? Getting a license in your country is not that difficult, okay? The basic salary for cleaners in Finland is 1,774 euro per month, plus additional compensation for evenings, weekends, okay? If you are selected in our recruitment program, we will provide you with free but mandatory Finnish or Swedish language training that can be done remotely online as long as you have access to the internet. Schedule-wise, our language training is flexible. We will also cover your first resident permit fee and arrange things in Finland prior to after your approval. That is, they are going to be paying for your work permit, okay? Only what you are paying for is your flight ticket to Finland, okay? All things will be done, all things and steps will be gone through in detail in our online orientation that you can join by filling the form. Once you fill the form, you can be able to join the online orientation. As you can see, say cleaners wanted in Finland, okay? All you have to do is to apply for it, okay? Don't worry, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can apply for it. To apply, you can click it. This so you can see, you fill the form. The first place is you put your first name, then your middle name if you have any, and then your last name. What next? You put your email. After your email, you can put your country, the country that you are. Select your country and you put it. As I told you before, degree is not required. If you want to put, if you have any, you can also put as well. Then your driver license, very important. You have to, if you have your driver license, you said yes. If you don't have, you said no, okay? And then your nationality. Try and get a driver license in your country. Is very cheap. Okay? Instead of getting your driver license outside, is very difficult, okay? Once you have it from your country, you can easily convert it, okay? Then your Facebook or Messenger name is mandatory. You have to fill it. Your country, your nationality, you have to select it, and then your country of birth, select, and then when would you like When would you start your work in Finland? It's mandatory. You also have to answer it. Do you intend to fly straight to Finland from the country you are currently in? If yes, you click yes. Then if no, you click no. Okay? Then what next? You read the consent. I consent to have this website store my submitted information so they can respond to my inquiry. Okay? Then you click I'm not a robot, and then you submit the form. Okay? It's very easy as that. Okay, like I told you before, it's very easy. You don't need anything like it's straightforward application. All you have to do is to apply, then join the orientation. Once you pass the orientation class, you are good to go. Okay, this is it.
Let's take a quick look at the Silk Road recruitment process. To get started, simply visit our website and fill out the form. After completing an online orientation, you'll receive a self-study kit to prepare for your interview. Once you've passed the interview, it's time to begin your language training. The length of training can vary based on individual factors and can be adjusted to fit your schedule. We're here to support you every step of the way until you reach the required skill level. We'll also help you choose an employer and begin the residence permit process after 6 weeks of study. When your training is complete, it's time to fly to Finland. We'll meet you at the airport and take you to your new apartment and help you get settled into your new city and workplace. We'll assist with DDD, the tax office, opening bank accounts, and anything else you need to get started with everyday life in Finland. And don't forget, we offer 24/7 phone support for any questions or concerns that may arise.
So guys, that is how it's done, as you can see from the video. Okay, please do to like this video and share with your loved ones. See you in my next video, guys.